Good morning, everyone. It's What's New Wednesday again.
We're starting this week with some new materials. This week's new items include White Ivy by Susie Yang, a page-turner that will appeal to fans of the talented Mr. Ripley. This is a story of Ivy Lin, a Chinese immigrant and her quest to assimilate at any cost. She's a thief and a liar, but you might be rooting for her in spite of yourself. A Book of Bones by John Connolly is book 17 in the Charlie Parker series. This is for those who like a little gothic horror mixed into their police procedural, a supernatural crime thriller for new and old fans alike. The Best American Short Stories 2020. The long-running collection of some of the year's best short stories is perfect for those who want to sample several authors and writing styles covering subjects from awkward college students to mystical godmothers. This year's collection is guest edited by Curtis Sittenfeld. And last we have Music and How It Works, the complete guide for kids. It may not replace those guitar lessons, but it is geared to give kids a wider understanding of music, including its history, songwriting, genres, and a general overview of what makes music interesting.
Remember, you can place holds on our online catalog for these items as well as the rest of our collection, or you can call us at 270-338-4760 to reserve the items you'd like to borrow and schedule a pickup appointment.
We are still operating through curbside service only for the time being, so make sure you contact us in advance to schedule your appointment time.
We are also continuing to offer take-home activity kits throughout the spring. Storytime-aged kids can receive a weekly kit, and older kids and teens can get a kit during the first week of each month. You can register to receive these kits at the link in the video description.
We're also working on some more plans for the future, so make sure you follow us on social media to make sure you don't miss those activities as we announce them.
We will also be continuing to provide videos on Facebook and YouTube. You can follow us or subscribe to our YouTube channel to see those as we release them.
We shared a Monday Minute video with Miss Susan earlier this week, and next week we'll be posting a Throwback Thursday video about a very famous and influential duo, so make sure you tune in for that one.
And we are also here every week on Wednesday morning to share all the latest library news. And we're also posting other photos and information on all our social media channels, even when we don't have a video to share. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
That's it for today. Thank you for joining us this morning for What's New Wednesday, and have a great week.